Hello everyone, welcome back to Calwain Health TV. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're making a beetroot detox juice that's not only delicious, but also fantastic for your liver, blood pressure, and exercise performance. This juice is a powerhouse of nutrients and a great way to start your day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Calwain Health TV for more health tips and recipes. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Here's what you'll need. 1 fresh beetroot, 2 vibrant carrots, 1 crisp apple, 1 juicy lemon, and a small piece of ginger. These ingredients are packed with vitamins and minerals. First, wash all your ingredients thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Clean produce is essential for a healthy juice. Peel and chop the beetroot, carrots, apple, and ginger into manageable pieces. This makes it easier for your juicer or blender to process them. Juice the lemon separately to preserve its fresh flavor and to ensure you get the maximum amount of juice. Set up your juicer or blender and start juicing the beetroot, carrots, apple, and ginger. Watch as the vibrant colors blend together. Look at that beautiful, vibrant color. It's a feast for the eyes and a treat for your body. Squeeze in the lemon juice for extra zing and a boost of vitamin C. This adds a refreshing tang to the juice. Pour the juice into a glass and get ready to enjoy this nutritious drink. This beetroot detox juice is packed with nutrients and has a delicious earthy flavor that's both refreshing and invigorating. It helps detoxify your liver, improve blood pressure, and enhance exercise performance. It's a perfect addition to your health routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Calwain Health TV for more healthful recipes and tips. Your engagement means the world to us. Stay healthy, and see you next time. Keep nourishing your body with wholesome foods and drinks.